Oh wait, his health is 10 and 5. Damage. Oh man.
I cut my hand. No, it's bleeding so badly.
Oh, dude. Get a tissue.
No, it's so
I don't like you.
I need a plaster. I mean, it's really...
Ah!
Oh, no.
I don't like you. I don't like you. Come out right now. Ah!
Almost on you.
Oh! Where's our fool? Okay.
Let me try to. Well, yeah, it's actually kind of like that. How do you put the armor on? Yo, sorry. Just a little nervous. Oh, there you go. Let's try.
Thank you guys for watching today's videos. See you guys soon. And remember,
Don't you have one more?
Film. Oh yeah, one more. Older generation Beyblade. Spin Steel.